Azadi Mubarak to all of you and happy Independence Day. It is 14th of August, which means today Pakistan got independence. Yes, so we are standing on the ground that is Azad, and that just gives me a beautiful, rejuvenating and energized feel. And I'm so happy that we are Azad as a country. And well, with that being said, there are 10 things that Azadi Day has taught me, and I would definitely like to share it with you guys because I believe that there are certain things that are very good and we generally do not talk about them, but we can definitely talk about them on this day if you are in the spirit of Azadi. So Pakistan Zindabad to you, and let's go and see what are the 10 things that Pakistan Independence Day taught me. So number one, the Independence Day every year gives me this feeling that the youth is not sleeping and actually striving to better Pakistan and to free their own rights and Pakistan as well. So anybody who thinks that the youth is sleeping, I do not agree, because actually there are many stalls that are doing some social work out there. There are people donating blood, there are people actually selling shirts with print of Pakistan Ka Jhanda on the top, and all the funds actually go to the welfares that are trying to help the not so privileged people. So yes, we are doing things. We are actually planting trees as well, and that is beautiful. If you guys have seen I am Pakistan, just Google it or use the hashtag on Instagram I am Pakistan. You will find actually all the great graffiti and art work by Pakistanis who really feel for Pakistan. So yeah, the youth is not sleeping. Number two, from elders to youngsters, we all love Azadi songs, and be it any day, if we get to hear Mera Pakistan hai, ye tera Pakistan hai, we really feel the Azadi vibe, and that is something that makes us one and not individual. And let me just also add, we have some amazing artists who have made some great songs on Pakistan. Should I present some list over here? Yeah, so anybody who thinks that in the music industry it is kind of lacking somewhere and not doing much, I do not believe that either. I guess a little bit of something here and there does make a huge difference in the long run. Well, that brings me to the social work. The entire year, everybody is doing social work, be it youngsters, be it organizations, NGOs, but especially on this day, you kind of feel the energy and the spirit of independence, and so one is so enthusiastic to basically do more social work. So people really donate stuff, people really go out and visit hospitals and give goodie bags. I have done it myself and it just feels so right. So yeah, it's amazing to just step out and do something like that, and I'm so thankful that we have this day to do this all. And oh yes, I cannot miss the blasting music that we all get to hear first thing in the morning. It's not the Tarana, it's the national songs, independence songs. Yeah, I finally come to this conclusion that Pakistanis love to blast their voices and their music. So it's kind of like a Pakistani thing. Also, as a youth, we are striving towards freedom from corruption, biases and caste entry and any discrimination that happens all year round. We want to stand up, and we are trying our level best to actually stand against all these things in a very polite and neutral way. And there are many hashtags that we support the entire year, and on this day we make it happen by going out, stepping out and just looking at Pakistanis and disregarding the fact who is coming from which nationality or from which background. And well, on this day there's one more thing that I really enjoy, like at least for 24 hours we all forget to criticize each other and see each other as individuals, and we try to see each other as Pakistanis, and that is the most beautiful feeling to have, because everybody is dressed in white and green, and they wear other clothes as well, and they kind of go festive. But the thing is, because everybody's so uniform, so nobody gets the idea who is who, and nobody gets to criticize each another, and is kind of nice for me. Like, at least for 24 hours you're not criticizing, you're not judging someone, so yeah, that's kind of cool. These last four are key things that I only see on Azadi Day. Number one, we stop worrying about the wrongs that are happening right now in our country and try to be happy for these 24 hours. Number two, we come from any caste, creed. If you are a Pakistani, you do idolize Quaid-e-Azam. That's something that I feel we all love Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And that is something beautiful. At least there's one topic we all can talk on and be happy about it at the end of the day. And number three, Pakistan ki jhandiya should not be made with the cotton string. They should probably be made with something that is more durable. Maybe it can be plastic, maybe it can be the fishing rod, string, anything that is not easily tornable or breakable, because at the end of the entire 14th August, once it's done, it's such a pain to see all the jhandiyas just right on the floor, and you cannot do much about them. Yeah, you can pick some up and put them somewhere, but at the end of the day, it all just goes to the bin, and that's something that I personally do not feel very pleased about, and the many people who do not feel right about this. I really feel something should be done in this area as well. So it's kind of sad, and hopefully it will be worked out very soon. And to sum it all, from elders to youngsters, no matter how old we get, we will always feel that Pakistan ka jhanda is our pride, and we are going to take it very seriously, and it is very sacred to us. So guys and gals, and all the Pakistanis who are in Pakistan or who are living abroad, these are the 10 things that I personally feel Pakistan Day or Independence Day, to be very precise, has taught me. And hopefully there are more things that I'm going to add in my vocabulary and in my list in the coming years, and they're going to be good. What are the things that Pakistan Independence Day has taught you? Do comment down below, and happy Azadi Mubarak to all of you. Celebrate this day with patriotism, with humanity, and with pride and respect. So there is a great responsibility on us, and we should better really be responsible, because otherwise, well, you know, it's kind of not that cool, and it's not hashtag friendly as well. So Azadi Mubarak, and celebrate this day, and see me in my next video. Rab Rakha everyone, and Pakistan Zindabad.